Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today I'm just going to be showing my teachers how to mark their assignments using Kami. Let's go to Google and type in web store, because you have to install the extension first. Let's go to the extensions, and once this extension comes up, this extension tab, yes, we're going to type in the search Kami, K-M-I. It will come up right here. Click on the Kami extension, then add to Chrome. You're going to click on add extension, and from here Kami will be added to your extensions. Let's see what will happen next. And there it is. It says that we can access Kami using this pretty little icon, the K. Alright, so we're going to try this out. We're going to go to our Google Classroom to try out Kami and see if it works perfectly. So let's go. And I'm going to see if I got any assignment submission. Oh, I have 3. Let's go. And notice that I have selected here grade with Kami. If this was not selected, I wouldn't be getting all these features. So if it's not selected on your laptop, you need to go ahead and select that. Let's go over to the features that Kami has to offer. Alright, so my worksheets that the students submitted are blank. Let's look at the features Kami gives. So I'm marking this assignment and I don't feel like reading, so I'm going to click on text to speech. So I want it to read the directions for me. I will highlight.
Directions, read each sentence. Circle the complete subject. Underline the complete predicate.
Excellent. So right away I remember what the instructions said and I don't have to read. If I wanted to read the entire page, I can just click on the play icon. I can stop using this icon here, or I can loop. Right? I can change the voice if I want a female voice or just another voice. Let's go to, so that's for text to speech. Let's go to markup. Now this is the fun part, if you like marking things. Let's go to highlighter, and what this will do is once you highlight the area, it will highlight it with a color. You can change the color here. Notice. No, you can't. If you go to box highlighter, it will just highlight many texts faster. Right? So you have 2 separate colors there. If you wanted to differentiate, this is the best way you could use to differentiate. If I want to do a strike through, so let's say that the student wrote this sentence and this part is incorrect. I'm going to strike it through. Alright, so notice that I have successfully used the strike through tool. Right? Now if I wanted to write the correct answer above this, I could just go ahead and use a text box. Once you click on the text box, you can click on any area on the document and the text box will appear. So the student would have seen that I made a correction on what should be there. Let's look at comment. So we already did markup and we did text box all at once. Let's look at comment. There are various options for the comments. You have text comment, and I love this section. You have voice comment, video comment, or screen capture comment. Let's look at all of them. Let's click on text comment. You want to ensure that you click on the one that you need before you start highlighting the words. So I'm going to make a text comment by highlighting here. I'm going to say very good, and just click enter, and that's it. Now what if I want to add a voice comment? Let's click on a voice comment. So I'm just going to select the area that I want to do the voice comment on, and over here I will start recording. So for this section, for this question, student, you did not answer the question correctly. You were supposed to do this and do that. Press stop when you have finished recording. And there you go for the voice comment. What about a video comment? So once you highlight, you're going to be asked for permission to use your microphone and also to capture you on video. You will have a pop-up and you just have to allow that feature. I'm not going to be showing the video. So if you want to use a screen capture, what the difference between the screen capture and the video is that for the screen capture, you would be able to show your face along with the assignment that you are marking. So that's that for comments. You can insert equations as well. If you're doing math, you can insert drawings. So this is for the persons who love to do the little tick. So we stick to what we know. So when we're at drawing, we have an option to choose the thickness of this stroke. I'm going to choose the highest thickness. And I'm going to click on red because I want to make a tick. See that? It's so big and ugly, I know. So I can adjust the thickness. Let's adjust it to 1. Notice the difference. So if you want to mark it this way or something was incorrect, it is up to you. It's fully up to you. Alright, teachers, so if you did something wrong, you can use your eraser. And the great thing about the eraser is that you don't have to be going around and around. Just click on it and it will be gone. So perfect, right? I know. Why is this not going? Yes, so problems are here. Okay. So for the eraser, you will double click and drag to the left or right on top of what you want to be erased. Double click, drag. So from here you can add media as well. This is so good. So you can add media from your computer, from Google Drive, from Google Image Search, from YouTube, or you can add a sticker. A sticker is so good for getting the students to become excited. So if they did a wonderful job, you're going to put excellent work. And when you click on the sticker, you can choose to put it anywhere. Once you click on that area, it will be dropped there. You can put your signature. So for all the teachers who like to sign their signatures on the document, we are at signatures. So you can upload an image, draw a signature, or draw a signature on phone. I'm going to draw a signature because I think I can draw. Pretty signature, right? I know. So from here I'm going to click on upload. So because I have already drew a signature, I'm just going to have to choose in between them. So I'm going to choose this one and click on insert. Notice that it will give me the same option as the sticker. So wherever I want to put it, I can click to drop it there. And notice that this assignment is now branded with my signature. Wonderful. I'd like to just mention that if you made a mistake and you want to remove any of the changes that you made to the document, all you have to do for the comments, all you have to do is hover the mouse over it and you will see some options up here. You can delete and it will be as it was before. So you have the option to delete. So I can go through and delete all of these. Notice that when I have a strikeout here, I can change the color. So these are the basic features of Kami and how you can use it to mark the assignments of your students. One more thing, you can click on select. So this is where you can select your pointer. So if you want your pointer to be a hand, you can do that. All right. If you want to move this toolbar, you can move it to the left or the right. And once you are finished, you can come over to the right side here. You can add a private comment. What I would do is to use Notebook because I have installed that extension, so I can send a voice note as a comment instead of just typing. If you're interested in learning about that one, you can leave a comment below and I'll do a video on that for you. So from here, the only thing you have to do, you would have to do is to return the assignment. That's what I would have to do. But if it is an assignment that you had put some marks on, so if it's a graded assignment, then you would get a tab here to insert the grade that the student got. So from here, you're just going to click on return, and this assignment will be returned to the student just as it is. So all the changes you made will be returned to the student. That is basically how you can use Kami in your Google Classroom to mark your assignments. It has so many features. You can just fiddle with it a little and get to understand it on your own. Thank you for tuning into my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. I hope you understood. Bye.